Firstring Combined Science. Firstring teaching intensive GCSE crash courses based on the new Eduqas Combined Science GCSE. We have received excellent feedback so far and students were impressed by our ability to navigate the syllabus, for which there are very minimal resources available. Firstring found preparing the lessons challenging to begin as resources were not as readily available as they are with other boards. So we decided to custom make presentations and revision notes. Some students from the class we taught had gone up 2 whole grades in terms of their predicted grades.
Hello, my name's Rishi, and I'm here to talk to you about the Firstring Global online tuition service. It really helped me, especially during my A-levels, in which you have to put in so much more work and effort into your studies, but this actually motivated me as well as educate me in my subjects. The teachers are really supportive and actually very talented. They explain things no matter what you ask them, and they are the most patient teachers you'll ever get, more than in school. Also, the service is really seamless and integrated well with Skype, and the classroom they have, the online virtual classroom, is really, really fun to use. Thank you for listening, and it's really something you should try out. They have a week free trial as well, so there's no harm in trying it.
Hi, my name is Ansaji and I'm from Wales, and I'm here to talk about Firstring Global online tuition. Firstring holds the best teachers from all around the world to help you, and I joined Firstring to improve my grades, mainly in math, because obviously math is really difficult and hard, and I find it really complicated. So my friends recommended me to join Firstring Global, and I tried it, and guess what? It's actually pretty good. And now I'm really improving my grades, and I'm the top bands right now, and I really thank Firstring for giving me this opportunity. So right now I'm recommending you guys to join Firstring as well, only if you want to improve in your grades. So check out the Firstring website right now and reach for the heights.